guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. Really quick, I have to share with you this emergency dessert that I just discovered, right? So normally I don't keep cakes and cookies and all that sweet stuff around in the house because it just wouldn't be good for me because I do have a crazy sweet tooth. There's one exception. Well, no, I'm lying. There's two exceptions. When me and my daughter have our birthdays and we get our Corbin's cake, that is awesome. We freeze that. I cut it up and I freeze it and we keep it for emergency dessert. But the other exception is Girl Scout cookies. Girl Scout cookie time. My favorite is the Thin Mints. So when I want like a hot, moist cake or something like that, I'm like, okay, let me do, I know you guys have heard of the mug cakes. But I'm gonna have a Girl Scout mug cake, and it's the easiest thing in the world to do. You don't have to do the whole flour and baking soda and cocoa powder and all that stuff you do with a typical mug cake. So let me show you what I mean. So I have been, this is the first roll, so this is almost done. But I have my cute little mug. You can have a regular, if you want to do a regular coffee mug, you could do that. But I have my cute little mini dessert mug that I'm going to use. So I'm only going to take 3. Oh my goodness. It is so hard not to just want to eat this whole thing. But anyways, I'm going to take 3. I have 3 of my cookies in there, right? They're just sitting in there. And I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to chop them up. Now, a lot of people, or just break them up. A lot of people, some people can take, when you're smashing up things like this, they want to take like a plastic bag and smash them or crunch them up. But it's like, let me just use the spoon because I'm going to use it anyways when I eat it. So just smash it up as good as you can because it's going to get soft anyways and turn into an amazing, awesome cake, right? So I got to smash it up as good as it's going to get. And then I'm just going to take, so that's smashed up like that. I don't know if you guys can see. And I'm going to take maybe 2 or 3, in my mind, in my eyes, 2 or 3 teaspoons of milk, right? So it's not a lot of milk. It's just enough to reach like the top. I'm gonna throw it in a microwave. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave for just 1 minute. You don't want to put it in any longer because then that's when I think it'll start to get that burnt taste, and that is super wet. Now, while I'm waiting on that, I am assuming that all of the other Girl Scout cookies, whatever your favorite is, you can do the exact same thing. I think that the Samoas, I think those would be really good like that because it has the chocolate and the coconut and all that stuff. I mean, just think of any flavor Girl Scout cookie that you like and think about, hey, what if this was like a warm cake? This is what you would do. The Girl Scout mug cake. So another thing, if you want to take it a step further, you can put some whipped cream on top of it. But I want you guys to see how small the portion is. That's my main point. How small this portion is, and it's gonna quench your sweet tooth. It's gonna satisfy your sweet tooth to where you're like, oh, that's good. I didn't need to have a whole slice of cake, or I didn't need to have a whole bunch of cookies, because I know that with these, it's hard to just eat 1 or 2 or 3 Girl Scout cookies, right? But I want you guys to see, it's not gonna fall out. I want you guys to see how that turned into, ooh, it smells so good. How that turned into a little tiny, it's almost like the size of a brownie, right? Turned into a little cake, and it's hot, it's moist. Look at that. I'm having to literally, you guys can't see, but I want you to see how I'm gonna pull this out. And it is the texture of a moist, ooh, I wish you guys could smell that. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it's the texture of moist chocolate cake with a hint of mint. That's the Thin Mint. So again, guys, this is my emergency dessert right now during Girl Scout season time. Again, you can do this with Oreos. Oh gosh. Yeah, you can do this with Oreos or just about any cookie. Just smash it up real good. Don't put too much milk. Just put maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons to the cookie. I'm gonna taste this, and I wish you guys could. Oh my gosh, see? This is so good, guys. And again, this is portion controlled. It's not crazy, and it will absolutely satisfy your sweet tooth with whatever Girl Scout cookie flavor you like, or cookie, period. I have, 3 more spoonfuls of this, and I'm done. I'm good. I got my dessert. I am good. So be sure to subscribe. Be sure to share this video because, of course, I was supporting the Girl Scouts and supporting my sweet tooth at the same time. But you can get so creative with these and make your mug cake. That's all I got. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Be sure to check out 7 Easy Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom. Bye.